What if I tell you that you could make $100 per day using your mobile phone and ChatGPT, the new feature for image generation? Yep, I'm Phoebe, and in this channel, or maybe on this channel, I normally do a lot of actually AI testing tools so that you don't waste your money, your time, and also your energy trying these side hustles. Okay, now I want to show you that this thing is so powerful. The new feature for ChatGPT is so powerful that it can make you passive income without wasting any time. And also the best thing is that you can try it using your mobile phone. I'm going to try it using my mobile phone. I'm not going to use my laptop, just to prove that you can do this even using your mobile phone to start earning passive income through the ChatGPT new feature for image generation. We're going to be selling these images, and I'm going to be showing you where, how, and what to do next so that you can start earning this passive income and making money using AI. The very first step I want you to do is to actually sign up or log into your ChatGPT account. If you don't have it, it's so easy to actually log in or maybe sign up. I'm gonna maybe log in or maybe sign up. You're gonna use your email. So if you are new to OpenAI or maybe ChatGPT, it's gonna ask you to insert your name, your last name, and your birthday. I'm gonna just choose anything here. Using mobile phone just to prove that this thing can work. You don't need a laptop or a desktop to do this, okay? Now there we have, it is so easy to do that. And on your mobile phone, if you're using mobile, you will see on your screen we have this create image, help me write code, and more. And then up here you will see we have this dashboard for generating or maybe having conversation with ChatGPT. Okay, you can explore GPTs more, and maybe your recent conversation gonna be here. So for us to access this one, we're gonna come here, and then we want to use this new updated image generation. Now what I want you to notice, down here you can also speak as you are being told, advanced voice mode. If you want to speak, you can do reason. This is deep reasoning, this is for search, and this is for inserting images, or maybe if you have an image or a file you want to upload to ChatGPT, you can use this one. Now we're going to use this one to add our prompt or maybe our text that we want to generate an image, so that we can use this image to sell it and make money. I'm going to give it a prompt, something like a cute baby elephant holding a sunflower, watercolor style, soft pastels background. And then we're going to click here on this button. As you can see, getting started, ChatGPT will start creating the image. Okay, so we're going to give it 5 minutes. It takes around 5 minutes. And by the way, I'm on a free version. For you to generate more images, you need to be on a pro, but even for us, only this one we can use it to actually do our demonstration, just to prove that this thing is working. Now we're going to give it a few minutes, like 5 minutes, and then we're going to come back. So our image is being formed 3 minutes. ChatGPT is still actually creating our image. We're going to give it a few minutes, because if you are on a free version, it's going to take longer. But if you are on a pro, it is easier, and just within 1 minute it has generated. So we give it a minute, and then it's going to create our image. Now, if you're finding value on this video, or maybe you are getting something, you are learning something, I want you to do me one favor. I want you to like this video, share this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel, so that we can continue learning and also earning together. Boom, ChatGPT has created. As you can see, it is super beautiful, isn't it? You guys, this is something that you can actually sell, and I'm going to be telling you where to sell, how to sell it, and we're going to be using the same ChatGPT to create everything for us, so that we can start earning passive income. Tell me in the comment section, will you buy something like this for maybe for your home decor, or maybe for your kids' room, or even for any art that is like this? For me, I'm gonna definitely do this because it's just beautiful. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna click on it like that, and then we're going to download our image. Okay, there we have. And then how do we sell it? Or maybe how do we, or maybe let's do another, should we do another prompt, or maybe should I give you another prompt that you can actually sell? What do you suggest we do? maybe something, if you are a cat mom like me, something like, let's give it another prompt, maybe a sassy cat. I'm gonna write quickly a sassy, a prompt that I'm gonna give it a second prompt to generate. A sassy cat wearing sunglasses holding a coffee mug that says I run on coffee, caffeine and vibes, digital illustration. So the style and what I want it to be. So, and then we're gonna actually do what we're gonna click here to generate. Okay, so let's see if it's gonna generate. And as you can see, we're gonna give it again another 5 minutes or so that it can generate. Remember, on a free version you have to wait. That is something that I have realized with ChatGPT. Okay, and also many other AI tools. If you are on a free version, you have to do it to be patient pace. Okay, so let's give it a time and see what it can generate for us. If it's gonna be amazing, we're gonna sell it. I'm gonna tell you where to sell and how to sell it. It's boom, our image has been created, and you guys, I want you to see, isn't this just beautiful? Can you see? I run on caffeine and vibes. This is super beautiful, especially for print on demand. Can you actually tell me, how do you think about this image? For me, I'm gonna sell it, and actually I'm gonna do it with you here. As you see what I'm going to do, I know some people might say, oh, what and what, but these things are working, and I want to show you where to sell. So where are we going to sell this kind of images? So I have this image and I have this one. This is wall art. You can sell it as wall art. You can sell for print on demand. Now let me show you the next step, or maybe where I normally sell, or maybe how you can sell them. So now that we have gotten our images from ChatGPT, we're gonna go to the next app, or maybe to the next website, which is Canva. It is a free design for designing or working for anything, and it is one of my best that I recommend. The best thing is that it works on mobile, and also you can use a free version to actually do this. So on Canva, you're gonna come to the dashboard here using your mobile. Here we have home, we have projects, we have plus button, templates, and pro version. Now we're gonna use this feature for plus, and then we click there. Once we click there, we're gonna actually choose our size here, custom size. Okay, we want to choose our size depending on which one do you want. And because we have only created 2 images and we want to position this image as wall art, so we're gonna make the first image in different sizes so that it can look, or maybe it can add value, and also offering in different sizes is going to help you to do what, to get more sales, in terms of actually people have different options. The first options we're gonna be doing, remember, when you are on Canva, you will need to change dimension here from pixel to inches. So we're gonna change here, click there, and then we're gonna choose inches, and then we're gonna put our dimension here. The first size we want to offer these images, it is in terms of actually 8 by 10. Okay, that is a good size. So we're gonna click 8 by 10. That is the first size, and then we're gonna click generate design. Okay, it's gonna give us the actually Canva to work on it, and then we're gonna bring our bring our image from ChatGPT. So we're gonna upload our image here, our files here that we have gotten from ChatGPT. I'm gonna take them. There we have. Okay, which one? Yeah, I think that is the ones. Once we have our images here, the first one we want to do, it is this one, the elephant with the what, with the sunflower. We don't need to change anything. You can actually do what, you can leave a space like this if you want. Okay, just make sure that you are adjusting it very well, like so, without actually cutting off anything, any part of it. So adjust very well so that it comes on the center like that. I think that is amazing. Then what we want to do, we're gonna, now that if you want to make it even more, maybe something more cute, you want to customize it, because you don't just want to copy from ChatGPT because everyone is doing the same thing. You can actually add, maybe add something, a nice quote. You can find a nice quote, or maybe a name of your kid, or maybe something, a nice quote, something like, maybe let's just put a text. I'm gonna put a text here. Add something like dream big, maybe for your baby nursery. Dream big. Let's do it together. Dream big. this is just a cute, maybe let me just add like that, and then we can position this. Okay, we can position this here, make it a little bit, not too much big here. Okay, dream big, it is nice. We can even do like this, and then we can change this font. Maybe I want it to be here. We can change this font to something maybe playful, something beautiful. We have something, let me see the fonts that we have. Maybe playful, something playful. Let's see if we have playful display, something like that. That's okay. Okay, dream big. Yeah, that looks super beautiful. Okay, that looks beautiful, right guys? We are making together with you so that you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just going through quickly. You can add in your own style so that it looks very nice. Now that we have our image there, we're gonna do what? We're gonna download. I'm just gonna give you example so that you can do. We're gonna come here, download our image, the first image. Remember, this is 8 by 10. We're gonna click here, and then we're gonna do what? You can download in JPG. Okay, I'm gonna increase the quality to 100, and then I'm gonna download here. Okay, there we have. And then another size that we can actually, as it is being downloaded, we can even try to, let's say we can offer it in another style, whereby you can, if you are on a free version, you will have to return back to create a new one. But if you are on a pro version, I want to show you an idea you can do. You can come here to your profile and then resize. There is this button for resizing. Okay, this is only for people who are on pro version. You're gonna do what? You're gonna choose custom size. You are resizing the same image. Remember, the first one was 8 by 10. Now we are changing this to custom, to maybe something, another thing is 11 by 14. You can actually add that 11 by 14. Okay, and then copy, or maybe just resize the what? Resize the image. It's gonna tell you this is how it's gonna look. You're gonna resize it just like that. And then once you resize it like that, you can see there we have resized the image. It looks good for me. I think that is okay. What we're gonna do, you can actually check like that, and then you're gonna download. Remember, this is for people who are actually, you're gonna also name it. This is dream big, maybe dream big, you write dream big so that you can see 11 by 14, and then you're gonna download. Okay, download your image. You can download it in PNG, and then download your image. And then another size that you can actually, maybe you can still offer, because we want to make them 3. You can still come here, if you are not pro, resize it into another style, not another style, on another option size, 16 by 20. We're gonna delete this one. We add 16 by 20 like so. Okay, and then resize this image, and then you can resize the design. It's gonna show you how it's gonna look like. Resize it. Let's resize the image. Okay, and as you can see, it has been resized. We can expand it, or maybe we can make sure that we are not actually cutting off anything. Okay, that is it. Very nicely resized without adding anything. And then we're gonna rename it. This is the first one was that one. This one is, I think, this one is what? The one, this is 16 by 20. 16 by 20. Again, we're gonna download. Okay, there we have downloaded it, and we have our beautiful images. Now I want to show you where to sell these ones. You can sell them on Etsy. People are selling this as wall arts. For this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. People are selling these small things. All these things, most of them, they have been created by an AI, not an individual person. Okay, so these are the things that we are selling. Remember ours, we have already done our, can you see this is bestseller? And if you see this, you can see it is something that you can do it. And there you have, guys, it is as simple as that. I want you to dive in and try this new feature so that before it gets closed, or maybe before it gets saturated, you are trying these things. I'm not kidding you. This is something that I have personally tried, and I know it is working, and I know it can work for you if you have the right mindset and if you put in more effort, and also if you are ready and willing to actually continue learning. Otherwise, guys, until next time, guys, I'll see you. If you found this video useful, do me one favor, pass to someone who needs to hear this or who needs to try side hustle using AI. And also do me one favor, guys, like I said, I think I have said several times, like, subscribe. And until next time, guys, I'll see you. Bye bye. Cheers.